guys, it's Larry from Larry's Livin Lite, and today we are going to be working on our Happy Planner Glam Girl for March 5th through the 11th. And today I'm going to be using some free printable planner stickers. This artwork is gorgeous. I love the colors. And this is from PlannerOneLove. So I will have a link for her below, but here is some of the artwork. And she provides a PDF file. This is a 2-page file, and I have uploaded it into my Cricut and turned it into stickers, which look like this. And it's a really nice large size kit. I didn't print every single sticker, but I have several pages here. I think this is going to cover 2 weeks. So I'm going to play with this today, and I anticipate using probably about half of it to keep a little bit of white space. So I did make 2 sidebars for 2 different weeks. And I'm going to get started. So let's have some fun. We're going to put our planners together, pull up a chair, grab a drink, get comfortable, plan with me. We'll play some music and see how it turns out. I'm probably not going to use any washi, but we'll see what happens. So let's see what I can come up with, and share some comments on what you come up with, and if you like the artwork. And give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, we are at just under 100 subscribers. There's a huge giveaway when I get to 100. Come on, guys, we're almost there. We're just barely not making it. So any day now, we will be having a huge giveaway. I've got happy planners. I have Nuvo drops. I have stamps for your planners. I have stickers for your planners. I have embellishments. I have charms. I have been collecting this stuff forever, so let's give it all away and let's have some fun. So I will see you at the end, and let's see how it turns out. So this is it. I think it turned out beautiful. I'm trying to go a little more white space each week, and I'm learning to do a better job, I think. So I really like it. I added in some functional stickers and some decorative stickers that were not part of the kit, like the Starbucks. Let me see if I can show you. So, you know, my post office sticker, those I've made, the garbage and recycling, those I have pulled, I think they were from Pinterest, I'm not sure, and the Starbucks I made. So all these are stickers that I've made from different places, but they're not part of the kit. But I did go ahead and fill it out. I didn't have any appointments on here yet, or any of, you know, this is all before the pen. But I think it's really pretty. I really, really like her artwork. I love the colors. And I think it is adorable. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please, again, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you haven't subscribed yet, come on. We're almost there. You're going to be part of our huge giveaway. Don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. And I'll have links below for PlannerOneLove, who provided these free printable stickers. And I hope you have a terrific week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, please be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye.